Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a screen timeout setting for your laptop, desktop, computer. So if your computer is going in sleep mode, or if you want to turn off the display after few minutes, I mean for 5 minutes or for 10 minutes, so I'll show you how you can change that settings. Okay, so before going ahead, I want to request to you, if you are a new user from my channel, please subscribe IT Parivar just to support me, just to motivate me. So let's start now. So this is my Windows 10 PC, and if you have Windows 10 PC also, you can click here on the start menu, just right click. You can see here the power options. Okay, click here. Once you click, you can see here power and sleep. Screen on battery power, turn off after 5 minutes. It is by default. When plugged in, turn off after 10 minutes. Plugged in means when charger is connected to your laptop. Sleep on battery power PC goes to sleep after 15 minutes. Okay, so if you want to change these settings, you can keep these changes as per your requirement. If you want to change this for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, so you can change it from here. Okay, the another option is to change the same settings from control panel. You can type here control, go to control panel and go to power option here. Okay, and you can click to change plan setting. Balance recommended, this is the recommended setting, so you can change plan setting. Turn off display, if you want to off the display after 5 minutes on battery, or if the laptop or computer is plugged in, it is 10 minutes. And if you want to change this time, like 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes or below 10 minutes, so you can change it from here. Okay, like if you want to change it to 5 minutes, so select 5 minutes, put the computer to sleep mode. 25 minutes, if you want to select this for 15 minutes, select, and 30 minutes, that is 30 minutes. And if you want to change it to 20 or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, so just do that. Just select the time as per your requirement and click on save changes. You can change the same settings from here also, like choose when to turn off the display. Okay, if you click, it will open the same setting here. Okay, so in this way you can change the time setting for your computer, for turn off the display, or to put computer to sleep mode. Okay, or if your computer is going getting locked in a few minutes, so once display will be off, or computer will be go to sleep mode, you will press the power key and then it will ask you to enter the credential, right? So it will laptop will be locked. So from here you can change the laptop lock setting also, like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or whatever. Okay, so in this way guys, you can change your computer laptop setting also for turn off the display or for sleep mode. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you again to subscribe my channel IT Parivar and share with your friends, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the new videos notification. Thank you. Bye bye.